In this video, we're covering steps 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now that we have the small arm, the short arm inserted in our assembly, we are going to pair it with the large arm. Um, so the important thing here is that we need to make sure that we are pairing the respective sides with each other and not just randomly click at different parts of the openings that we want to attach together. I'm going to explain to you what I mean by that. If you look at this drawing over here, we can see that this face that I'm highlighting right now of the short arm that is facing us is being paired with the back face of the large arm that we cannot see. So when we mate the parts, we have to make sure that this is what we are doing. So that means that, and you will see this when we start pairing these, that I'm going to highlight this circle right here, and I'm going to pair it, and I'm going to click the pair action, and I'm going to pair it with this circle that I can't see back here. I can flip my drawing so that I can actually see it, and I can click on it, or you can click it from this side as well. If I pair this circle right here, this part with this part, what's going to happen is both of my arms are going to they're going to overlap. So the drawing's not going to come out well. They're not going to come out like solid pieces. So let's see. Alright, now that I have my short arm here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click my menu, which is right next to insert, and I'm going to click Revolute Mate. Revolute Mate, because that's going to allow it to move around in circles. Alright, so now we can do this in a couple of quick steps on the iPad. For a laptop or desktop, you just follow the steps in the instructions. Now, like I said, for the short arm, I want to pair the side that's facing me, which is the side that's away from me on the large arm. Again, I'm going to click on, and I want to click this circle, this opening with this opening right here. So I'm going to click that that part of this circle, and you see that crosshairs that appears in the middle. I'm going to click that as well. That's the first step of the mating process. Now I'm gonna go to this arm right here. Now, like I said, if I were to click this by mistake, the pairing wouldn't work, because you can see the arms are going to intersect, and I don't want the arms intersecting, so I'm going to undo that. But what I want to do is I want the arms to be right on top of each other. So I'm going to click that circle that's back there. As you can see, it's on the back side. I can't turn the drawing right now because I'm in the process of adding an action, and well, I'll do that after I finish my the mating process. So now, once I click the circle, I'm going to click on the crosshairs, and my arms are going to be mated once I click OK. And you see they're on top of each other. They do not intersect, which is what I want. Now, one more thing before we finish this. I'm going to open this by clicking Edit. Before you press check, you can check how you can see how the arms interact with each other. If you are on a laptop, once you mate them, you are going to have an option here that's a play button, which is this one right here. When you press it, it'll show you the motion of the small arm relative to the large arm. In our case, in the iPad, we don't have that button present, but you see this arrow at the bottom right and this circle with an arrow in it. The circle with an arrow in it is telling you the motion of the arm. It's going to guide you through the motion of the arm. If you click it, every time you click it, it moves 90 degrees, so it shows you the actual possible motions of it. And that's it.